Okay, Hero's been missing for a while, and now he's back from his vacation. He came up to the house just a few minutes ago and stared at the house looking like, where's my dinner? So we got him some dinner, and now he's just creeping up ever so slowly. And here he comes. I think we're all glad to see him back again. He's kind of shy, but he's coming. Here he comes.
Record it. Record it.
He's looking both ways. Oh, he's coming up to the bowl. He's got little hot dogs in the yard today, so he's finding those little treats. Now he's gonna go back to the food. Okay, give me my dinner. We don't know where he's been, but he's back. John's using a machine on the other side of the house, so that might have kept him away today, all that loud noise. He's taking a little break right now, so a little bit quieter. Sorry, folks, I'm not too good at this. Today's Tuesday, March 17th. May 17th. Sorry, I don't know why I said March. He's finding all the little hot dogs on the trail that I put out for him. Whoops, sorry. Let him turn and look right at us. One more look in case he missed something. And there he goes.